with these soft grippers we can just actuate and it will grab it without doing any harm to the cup.
The general view of robots is that they're cold, hard metal objects. However, there's also the field of soft robotics. I'm here at the Institute of AMOLF, where I'm meeting Jelle and Alberto, who are going to tell me more about them. We're here at AMOLF and you're working on developing a soft robot. First of all, what is a soft robot?
A soft robot is basically a robot which is made of soft materials, as the name says. So no metals, and we mainly use silicone rubber to make these kinds of robots. So here I've set up with a soft robotic gripper, where we use 4 bending actuators to grab these different objects. Here we investigate the sensing without using additional sensors. So by measuring the pressure, we can see how far the gripper is closed, and it can say, oh, this object that it grabs now is smaller than the red box, so I put it to the left.
Because the cup is not very strong, right?
No, with a hard gripper you would have to know perfectly where to grip it, otherwise you would crush it, but with these soft grippers we can just actuate and it will grab it without doing any harm to the cup.
Is that also the direction in which you can look for applications?
It's a possible direction. It's mainly used in the food industry, where it can grab food objects which are by definition irregular. Additional advantage is that they're very safe to use with the food without contaminating the products.
I have an image of the actuation and the sensing, but that is nothing without the control, of course. Do you have a demonstration of that aspect?
Yes, we have a demonstration set up for that. My colleague Alberto will help you with that one and explain all you want to know.
Thanks. So, Alberto, Jelle referred me to you to demonstrate control in soft robotics.
Yes, exactly. Control is one of the main topics in soft robots, because traditionally people use bulky and rigid components to control soft robots, like electronics, while our main focus is to try to remove all that part and implement control by using only mechanics and fluidics.
So how would that work?
The main idea is that we want to provide a rather complex output by giving an extremely simple input. So in our case, we provide a single flow source, which is constant the whole time. And then the robot, because of an internal circuitry of fluidics, will show and exhibit a rather complex behavior. For example, walking.
I always thought robots were pretty cool, but now that I've seen the soft robots, I'm more excited than ever about the possibilities. If you want to know more about this research, take a look at technology.nl.